Alright, so we're still working on Claire's room. Got our bookcases moved in right here. And we are going to attach them to the wall, like you're supposed to do, so that when she opens the doors to the bookcases, they don't fall on her. Alrighty, so let's get to it. So there's a little hole inside the cabinet. You want to take a screwdriver, stick that through, place a mark on the wall behind. Now that you have a mark on your wall, you basically want to take your L bracket, line it up at the top of the mark you made, and then take a marker, that's in my hand here, and mark the hole that we're going to drill. Pop that in there, and I drill somewhere in there. We're good. Now you don't want to fully tighten the screws so that you have some room movement up and down. Slide this bookcase back over and a bracket goes right in like so, and then underneath we attach it to the top here. Alright, now the cabinet is securely attached to the wall, so when the doors are opened, it's not going to fall on anybody. Where's Ariel?
Right there.
That's Ariel? Which one's Snow White?
The one.
That's Jasmine.
That's not right.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.